Are you tired of bringing home plants only to watch them wither away?
Don't worry, you're not alone. But today, I've got you back. In this video, I'll share 5 plants so hardy, so forgiving, that even if you have a black thumb, you'll feel like a pro.
Stick around to the end because I will share a secret tip
To keep your plant happy and healthy, no matter your skill level. First up, the indestructible sansevieria, also known as the snake plant. This beauty thrives on neglect. Yes, you heard that right. It only needs watering every 2 to 3 weeks and can survive in low light, bright light, or even that forgotten corner in your room. And did I mention?
it's an air purifying champion, making your home healthier while looking fabulous.
Next is the pothos, also called devil's ivy. But don't let the name fool you. It's heavenly to care for. This plant grows fast and thrives almost anywhere, from dim bedrooms to bright kitchens. Forget to water it? No problem. It will bounce back with just a little care.
And if you're into propagation, pothos is a superstar. Just snip a vine, stick it in water, and watch the magic happen.
The spider plant is next on the list. Not only is it low maintenance, but it also produces these adorable baby plants called spiderets.
This plant thrives in bright indirect light, but can handle lower light conditions too.
It's perfect for shelf, a desk, or even a hanging basket.
Plus, it's non-toxic to pets, a huge win for animal lovers.
Meet the ZZ plant, short for Zamioculus zamifolia. But let's stick to ZZ. This plant is practically unkillable. It's drought tolerant, low light friendly, and grows slowly.
So you don't have to worry about constant repotting.
And those glossy leaves, they will make your space look effortlessly stylish. Finally, the peace lily. It's not just beginner friendly, it's a natural mood booster with its elegant white blooms and glossy green leaves.
It's the perfect statement plant for any room.
It also lets you know when it needs water by drooping slightly. Give it a drink and it will bounce back almost instantly. Plus, it's another air purifier.
Here's the secret: consistency. Pick a day of the week to check your plants for water, light, and overall health.
And don't overthink. And just remember, never overwater. Less water, more love.
Use well-draining soil and pots with drainage holes.
And your plants will thank you. So there you have it. 5 foolproof plants for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your green journey, these beauties will brighten your space and your day.
If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.
And share with a friend who is ready to start their plant journey.
Which plant are you adding to your home first? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy planting.